Hey guys, I got this really cool fabric with little mini zebras all over it from Joann. And not only is it a super cool fabric, but it is extra special. And it's because this fabric was designed by a patient at the St. Jude's Children's Hospital. Joann has an entire collection of prints designed by patients from St. Jude's. You need to check them out. They are so cute. Lots of fun little animals and flowers and all kinds of stuff. And next time you're shopping at Joann, you're gonna notice that you're gonna be able to donate to St. Jude at the register when you're checking out. And all of those donations will go towards St. Jude's promise to never bill a family for services. So consider donating next time you're at the Joann checkout. And check out these super cute prints designed by the St. Jude patients. That's right, these fabric prints are original artwork from the patients. And today we're gonna make a dress, and it is gonna be so cute out of these little zebras. So I designed a simple dress pattern to cut out of this vibrant fabric. We have a princess line bodice in the front, we have a darted bodice in the back, we have a fairly high neckline on the bodice, and then for the bottom, we're gonna do a full circle skirt, and we're gonna cut so many ruffles for the hem of the circle skirt. It's gonna be adorable. First, I'm gonna cut out my bodice pattern, and then I'm gonna move on to cutting out the circle skirt, and it's cut on fold and cut to. This skirt is gonna have so much volume. And then we're gonna move on to cutting out the ruffles. And then after that, I'm going to finish all of my edges with the serger so that way everything stays nice and clean and finished. Don't want to have any frayed edges, which can totally happen when you're working with the cotton. Everything's cut out, the edges are all nice and finished, and it's looking great. Now it's time to sew up the bodice. First thing we're gonna do in the bodice is sew up the princess lines on the front bodice. And then, after that, I'm gonna sew up the darts on the back bodice. And then I'll place the bodice pieces right sides together, and we're gonna sew up the shoulder seams, and then I'm going to sew up the right-hand side seam, leaving open the left for the zipper. And then we're gonna finish the neck and the armholes with bias facing. That's gonna give it a nice, clean finish. Our bodice is finished and it's looking great. Let's take a look at all the details. We have our princess lines on the front, we have our beautiful bias facing openings, and then on the back, we have our darts. Now we're gonna sew together the skirt. First thing we're gonna do is place our skirt pieces right sides together, and we are gonna sew up the right side seam, leaving the left side seam open. And then what we're going to do is pin the waist of the skirt to the waist of the bodice, and we're gonna sew all the way around, making sure we leave that left side seam open. And then we're going to put in our invisible zipper on the left side seam. If you need help sewing an invisible zipper, make sure you check out one of my videos on that, or sign up for my Anastasia Sewing Academy online. Links for both of those down below. Our dress is looking so cute. We got that skirt attached, we have our zipper attached, and it is almost ready to wear. Now it's time to put on the ruffle. So I have one really long strip of fabric, so I attached a bunch of short pieces together to make it really long. And now what I'm gonna do is go over to the serger and use the baby roll hem on the serger. I just love that feature, to finish the edges of this ruffle. I just finished the edges of the baby roll hem on 8 yards of fabric, and we're gonna turn this into ruffles with the ruffler. And then after we ruffle it, we get to attach it to the bottom of our dress, and then we get to try it on and wear it. Our zebra party dress is finished. It is looking so adorable. Let's take a look at all our sewing details. Look at this phenomenal ruffle at the bottom. I am obsessed with it. It really makes this dress. Look at all of our beautiful seams. They're nice and finished. We've got that bias facing, finishing our edges. We have our beautiful invisible zipper, and that ruffle at the bottom is just gorgeous. I can't get over it. I'm obsessed with it. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling like a party animal in this new dress. And that's because of this awesome fabric designed by a St. Jude's patient. So make sure you check out the collection online or in-store at Joann. And don't forget, if you're shopping at Joann, you can donate at the register. So you can help St. Jude's fulfill a promise to never bill a family for services. Thanks so much for watching Sew Anastasia today. If you have any questions about the process of creating a dress, the fabric, or St. Jude's, leave it down below in the comments and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. If you enjoyed the video today, give it a thumbs up, give it some applause, and let me know what video you want to see next down below in the comments. And if you're not already a subscriber to Sew Anastasia, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when all the new videos come out. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for watching today. These videos are for you. And don't forget to follow on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, all the social media, so that way we can stay connected and creative together. And if you're in Chicago, come on in to the design studio and take a sewing class with me in person. And if you're not here, that's okay too. We now have launched the SewAnastasiaSewingAcademy.com, so check that out. And you can take classes online there. Thanks so much for watching today. Bye.